remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create. 3-tip steak. In Spanish, some places call it Punta de Palomilla. And this is going to be very simple. I found this nice piece of steak in a local butcher here in Virginia. Link in the description. I was amazed with the location. And only thing you need, my friends, is some salt, pepper, some butter, garlic, and some oil. That's it. And this one is already cut it here, in smaller pieces, so it's more manageable. But I'm going to show you how to do this, baby. Pepper. Salt. Da-da-da. Pepper. And this is ground black pepper. I could have used peppercorn pepper if I wanted to and give it more of a crust, but I decided not to. I want to enjoy the taste of this delicious meat, okay? I'm using a little bit of oil. I'm going vegetable today, for a change, right? Not a lot, just a little bit. Just a tiny bit, enough to kind of cover the surface area, but not a lot, like to create a lot of volume. Medium high. And these pieces of meat are thick. About 4 minutes later, time to flip this baby. Look how beautiful it looks, huh? What I'm going to do, I'm going to add some butter, unsalted butter. It's going to create some smoke because of the butter. Don't worry about it. You start adding some of the garlic on top. You're going to do this for about maybe 5 minutes, 4 to 5. Maybe a little bit less. Just keep an eye. This is an electrical stove, so it's harder to monitor. So I'm going to get them together, a little bit together, because I'm going to play with this butter. I'm going to play with the butter. And I'm going to use that butter to put some juices on top. If you need more butter, so be it, okay? You can put some romano or rosemary. Romano is in Spanish. The rosemary, get some of those aromatics. Put some of the stuff on top. The garlic and the rosemary is going to create the magic. If you need to add a little bit more butter, so be it. And just make sure you put it to rest for about 5 to 7 minutes, maybe even 8 minutes. Let that heat distribute.